Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error that says HomeKit secure video not recording in 2026. Now first of all you need to understand this. HomeKit secure video requires an iCloud Plus plan. You are also going to see here that iCloud subscription upgrade required. So both of these work together. If your storage is full or if your plan does not support recording, the videos will not be saved. So in order to fix it, simply go to your iCloud settings and make sure that you have enough storage available. If you have found that the plan that you are using is correct, and then you can check the camera settings. For that, you need to simply open your home application. Then you just have to select your camera. After that, you just have to simply look for the option of recording. So you can choose when home, when away, and stream and allow recording. If the recording is off, nothing is going to be saved, so you need to make sure that the recording option is enabled first. Now recording only starts when the motion is detected. If motion detection is disabled or zones are incorrect, recording will not trigger. So you can adjust the activity zones and the sensitivity properly. HomeKit secure video requires a home hub like Apple TV, HomePod or iPad. So make sure that your hub is also connected and online. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is recording properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.